Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to change the Bluetooth name. Start now. First, park safely and switch the ignition to accessory so the infotainment stays awake. Then enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the car settings. Look for Bluetooth, phone, or connections. You do this because the system must be active and discoverable to accept a new device label. Once in the Bluetooth menu, locate Paired Devices or Device List. This first actionable step places you directly where name edits occur. Now you'll change the actual name. Select the paired entry for the phone or the vehicle module. Infotainment systems label it differently, so read each option. Tap Edit, Rename, or Device Info and type the desired name. Use simple characters and respect any character limit. Save the change. The unit often prompts to confirm. You do this to ensure the car advertises the new identifier to other devices. Once done, check both the head unit and your phone's Bluetooth list for the updated label. Finish by verifying functionality. Connect and test audio, calls, or navigation prompts so the new name is used system-wide. If the name doesn't update, restart both the phone and the infotainment system. This forces a refresh. If you still can't rename because the option is locked, unpair the device, delete it from both sides, then repair and rename during setup. Make sure to check for infotainment software updates if problems persist. Firmware fixes often restore full Bluetooth naming controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.